Good morning, Joe, and good morning to you at home. We're waking up with rain showers as expected. Unless you're in portions of Chautauqua and Cattaraugus County, you can see a steadier rain falling over the Niagara Peninsula and Lake Erie. Even a little bit of a mixed precipitation being indicated over the Niagara Peninsula. There is an outside chance areas well inland today will see some isolated pockets of snow and freezing rain. Just an isolated chance of that happening, though. Here, as we take you to the Niagara frontier, you can see pretty much all areas there getting in on some rain. Some heavier rain now to the south of Medina and north Batavia over the downtown and Kenmore areas. We're seeing rain up through Amherst. As we head further south, we're seeing more scattered activity that way. But if you're in Franklinville, steady rain up on into Warsaw, out towards Fillmore. This is going to end in the Niagara frontier during the late morning hours. If you're south of Buffalo, it will end in the early afternoon to mid-afternoon hours. We're now at 41 in Buffalo, 39 in the Falls, 40 in Dunkirk, 37 in Jamestown, 51 in Bradford, 46 in Wellsville. So it is going to be a soggy morning commute, but will be dry as you're heading home and getting ready for your Thanksgiving holiday. Neighborhood temperatures coming in. We're at 40 in Buffalo at the Buffalo Harbor, as well as Williamsville and Lancaster, 40 in West Seneca. You can see Colden only 2 degrees above freezing at 34. Bus stop forecast for the kids are going to need their rain jacket this morning. It'll be dry when they're getting off the bus. Nonetheless, it will be chilly, so make sure they are dressed warm today. Here's a snapshot at the noontime picture if you are traveling today. Heading out early this morning to the eastern seaboard, you could be dealing with some rain showers. All the major cities, though, by this afternoon will have dried out. Unless you're heading to northern New York up through New Hampshire, Maine, areas like that, there's a winter storm warning or a winter weather advisory that runs through this evening. Aside from that, you can see pretty much all of the country is forecast to be dry this afternoon. Here's a look at the satellite and radar image. A wider view, we're looking to see this area of low pressure pass over the region, and with that, the showers will come to an end again, mainly around the midday hours. Outside chance we see some mixed precipitation as this event does come to an end. Tonight, we're dry, and that's going to remain the case for our Thanksgiving. Here are all the details. Your weather for today. The Niagara frontier, again, your rain ends during the morning hours. Areas south of Buffalo on into the midday and afternoon hours. We're mostly cloudy and breezy. Highs today in the low 40s. For tonight, we become mainly clear and we're cold. Areas of fog are going to develop late, so be aware of that if you're planning on traveling. A low of 34, southern tier low of 26. For Thanksgiving, we are mostly sunny and breezy. Temperatures for the turkey trot in the upper 30s and low 40s, a high of about 53. For tomorrow night, we're mainly clear and cold, a low around 40, a southern tier low of 32. Black Friday, plenty of sunshine, seasonably mild, a high of 58. Still beautiful on Saturday, a high of 56, maybe some rain by Sunday. Joe?
All right, thanks, Amelia.